tuni webinar palam imano tadingwa amasain nitar phale siamsin chibai tuni ki pawhai pen ma hunbang tanhiam paisa pan isele inangim siamsin webinar series si ngana guidance and insights in civil services exam preparation jimin vo ivai kwanu melmuthia yomanin ikipak pen ma Hiai webinar hungwa ple YouTube pa hon sakte teng tunga ama sign kipa thu pungen masahi UPSC Civil Services exam analo ching hi kiom meng lo kum som le som ni ke kal dan khonga mi khen khat chau in amozelo ahia exam haksa pile ham hai wai thei tak bang ahi na bang chipan lak ding chi te bang experience tampi tia dinga lunglu thwai pi hiding in igin ta hi hebang olmo na lian pi to Siamsin Pawlpi joint headquarters DELHI-NCR in Hiai webinar hong kisai ahia tunita ka Hiai lampi anaton le lamjang taka ana paiswak Pi Carolyn Chingthianmawi IAS in a schedule kibuchil takkala ahun man phatakte ahun piak jakin sampha pet ma tu zana event pai dingdan tangpi Hiai banga ahi apat na introductory remarks Pu Vumlunmang Vualnam IAS ahia wai zo in ken hun khon la dinga wai ka zo hi heutunun ahun 30 minutes sung hon la dinga hi Q&A session in honzom ngal dinga vote of thanks genna Secretary Education Department in leng hon ni ding ahia I tuna ihun pia ilut main advisory board member di thotaku Pu Vumlunmang Vualnam IAS tulela Department of Expenditure Ministry of Finance Secretary in Alienlel in introductory remarks hongen masadinga pumang hi tulela London om ahia life hongkiel thilo himale recorded message hon khaka heututen tua imu thebek dingwa amanule hon ko hedingo ahia
Unita kina SSPP Joint Headquarter Delhi Eutute Panlag Naina webinar civil service lampang focus ina inei thewa kipa hoi kasama ma wana tuntang bangtan hiya mi nga khit nungina IS muthaki hotunu Carolyn Chingthianmawi bang leng hong man the hita a kipa hoi kasama ma tunia Hiai webinar hi sepna zong competitive exam civil service exam te adinga patuam na tam tak hong pian kalamen civil service again siang ina amasain IS bangen leng hi imi mama leng imi masa te heutu te puzel siamina anamu masa 1966 ina wana pu theih hu mina azuia 1974 ina wana pu theih chinkhen thangina 1978 ina azuia wai khidina ken 1992 ina IS kana mua wana bana heutupa pu haulian lalina 2011 ina mua wana tuna heutunu Carolyn Chingthianmawi na 2024 ina mua inam itom dan bangi ngai to chiang in hi pathianon vualzol na thupi kasa a mabana leng on vualzol je lai dinga hi chi kamuanga hoi je kina tunia I seminar hi kipa hoi kasa a hileleng hoi gen komina wana IPS anamu bang leng bang za hiam imile sa te laka omwa IRS bang le service dang service hoi tak central service anamu te hi omwa Indian Forest Service bang leng wai teng ki pa kom in hi dena kon gen IES pen bang yet le hi i aki i hal sot theih mahmah a i hu chi lo deuh bang hi theih le i hoi zo sem lai ti chi ngai to nam zia khina tunin hi khang thak te siamsin lai te hun nei lai te hi i na sata kina kon haswan nuama ka kon encourage nuama ong pang leu te i panon la leu te hi lo chin na pathian non pengei ding hi chi kamwanga wana den chang in na webinar long ki ken din ka ginga chi kom in hi pan lockdown hi tua ipan lockdown lelte sang ana sazo pan lang ngai hi chi hi banga i tulai khang thak te adina facility aktam kom ni social media bangi hun su hek thei ma khata hong hita a wajia kin hi pan non lak chiang on hi na hun zat da nu da kal som ni le li ni tenga pathian non pia khi bang chin na jang wa chi hong ki ngai to thak leu te civil service te le competitive exam chi te hi pan ta tak ngai hi a i syllabus te textbook te bula pa the top tan theih suak hoi ma te ngai zia kin hi pan tha khon laun la tunia izak ding ong ki gen te le adang lenga ki gen sa lenga tama hoi te jang in hi tunia angai khia le YouTube angom chiang angai khe ding a ending khang thak te siamsinte le kwa pe i hei tungtawn na vual zol na hoi tak lo chin na hoi tak na hon mu lamini na i hei teng kon gen di ka ki pa ke
pumang gente ina chiamte dinga siamsinte leng maban sa pini lai hi na ilum tup te mol so thei ding ina pannak taka lading in ikichona hi tuna i hetunu introduction kon ni masadinga hun lak maina saulou tan chin to kisai tom kimin kon gen som de Pi Carolyn Chingthianmawi hi IS trainee 2024 batch ahia Telangana kedar tangin tulela assistant collector na semin Nizamabad khosalal hi heutunu hi laisam the ma khat ahia UPSC Civil Services Exam 2023 clear mine BCom Manipur University Nuai topar anhia MCom leng sangtakin ana zohi khotang sa khwale siamsin ti olmo takmi khaleng ahia hei teng bana imi isa te laka enleng theih keile immediate community chini sunga numei tenglaka IS direct kaluta na anasim ai theih masak pen ahia hoi bana homegrown pen ma chini ma in lam nuselo education hian civil service exam preparation dia kisakkhawl na lam hitale i tubgu na le kukal na omnak le zo moldon khwak leng neu tuam lo hi chi ama tungtawn in thiat thak takhinoma heite hi man phapet ma isa hi tuna heutunu tanchin to kisai igen khyak theih tengkhong a hi dinga i ama aman takale ken sau genno loina ahun honla dingen kachia a hi
Ni tak lampha na kun good evening ama sapenina hichibangon hoi on pia pathian kyang ki pathui ke na bana hiai bang webinar session hon sai how to te SSPP how to te na panlak na teu na effort pyak teu why na thale jung na seng teu jakin na kyang ki pathu ka hon ge na keling aspirant serious tak te lo le confusion nei tak te to ki interact di ka kalungbul gi gya hilele khata ki hopi zo lo ma khatan hopi changwa gadong sing le dile hak sa tho engine ki adel le ma hoi ja ka ija platform khataon kai khoma ija aloma chimei ni mo address theya cha nuam ta ka hun hoi ta kun ram ta ka hun nan saiwa hun ram pathani non pyak ja ke na ama sapenin ke pa thui ke nwa ike padmaina disclaimer chi dia ike padmawa kahon clarify kahon game uta oma why he left. Every journey is unique, everybody's journey is unique, and there is no one single perfect strategy in UPSC. Me sang hadin UPSC clear hile afte kwa simdano ki bang chat lodi adjustments tuamtuam ki badlaw na ne the engine. If 1,000 people clear UPSC, it means that there are 1,000 ways to clear UPSC. Eka nang journey nang siam na te mi siam lo may te bo mi siam na ka nang strengthen na hilaw may te wada na mi to bagi compare wata mi hidan chat copy paste ahi ka adika hike amon. There are some non-negotiables na hite ngai chua oma, like for example nitenga consistent akalaisin khangai te engine syllabus to kitwa ka syllabus and previous year question te hoite ka analyze practice test mock test kong hikhale non-negotiable bana revise then revision repeated revision kung non-negotiable to I can then lamjai discuss diwa. There are some non-negotiables in the preparation, but other things like for example night owls versus early risers no zan so pp sima zingal tho ha ka UPSC clear leom tho ai lo le zan imu pai zingal tho bai da nga khong a tho wa sima clear leom ai lo le medical science optional a clear leom geography a clear om sociology a clear om ke bang commerce and accountancy ke ya commerce a clear the science subject physics a clear the engineering a clear the engine bana ahante kha writing skills lam hoi engine ahante kha memory o hat engine writing skills lam banga strong kele ole hicha figure home map diagram home cha flow chart khong gel sama siam hu cha mark score tho chadan de wa mention. Know yourself, know your own strengths and weaknesses, and don't compare yourself to other people, and don't try to copy paste anybody's strategy including mine. So there's no perfect single shot strategy in UPSC. Tailor it according to your needs and according to your interests and suitability. Bana ke kha self-prepared self-study kahiya. Waja kena ka session le self-preparation lam to on kit zoiton the audience. It's a self-preparation oriented session. So coaching class la hong na mulay lole coaching class la ut city ya ki shift kintai lole ki shift ut chilandawa confusion nahi na mulha ke kha asyam pen athe pen ka hi khol ke dia azakchu and it tot khak lo lampi kha comments back ka hak satho engine. So this will be a self-preparation oriented session. Like I can clarify there, bana. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. It will be a long journey and it will be filled with tears and sweat and suffering. So prepared for this to be a very long journey. Tomchik sima banga sangpi ki khotongal jidan dina iki sake diwa mo saupi. Let's be prepared to have a long and difficult journey, but I can assure you that the destination will be very beautiful. Heka thumai henla tuna kabang ka PPT kon share dia. Let's get into the preparation. Heka screenshot ut na omule screenshot tun la ay la PPT le dan kon shared ho dia. Book list for GS prelims. I think these are the basic foundation for every UPSC aspirant. I चाहिए ले तम follow na engine ले चांग तक theih abul back to back as theih हो इतना any question that comes from these sources answer theih दित्ता ना योम ना दिया खावन so do throw engine mo please don't underestimate it. Like the basic foundation for UPSC prelims main sale ito le base mostly for prelims class 11th and 12th and CRTs. Heka adya ka non-arts background mo science commerce background dia hoy pet ma engine direct ka hai Lakshmikant spectrum dia ki patsa nga kha 11 12 and CRT sa ki pat kha hoy so a language less simple so engine clear mga beginner friendly so engine hai tia ki panon la 11 12 ka arts la ne hi lele hoy taka an simpet ma at hoy taka 11 12 ne hi la ya hoy taka sima clear pet ma ne hi le revise again la so hela man ki shift ya hilele non arts background na hi ai lo le 11 12 na hi la hoi taka an sim khalo na hi le ya yeah, kipat ka hoi pen hin. So 11th and 12th and CRTs, then Lakshmi Kant, Indian Polity, Spectrum, Modern India. I think these are the basic source. And one thing I would like to clear off ancient spelling mistake, sorry. One thing I would like to clarify, question alek ka mo art and culture. Art and culture can source to book to kasim to kaya ancient class 11th and 12th ancient and medieval India arts and culture portion to hey punam dahiya ancient and medieval India arts and culture like every chapter, for example Gupta period, Maurya period, Indus Valley civilization chapter tanga ka art and culture to omve ancient mo can why art and culture portion te khase ninga atwama art and culture adya textbook to am simlo kahi ka kon clarify here. Question on second. Hey, think Ramesh Singh, GC Young. Hey, think these are the basic books for prelims and newspaper. Newspaper ka annex atwamina current affairs akon discuss hey ka screenshot la hey te nasim khak lo omle on share here. Current affairs confusion na tamma because there is an endless sea of materials for current affairs in the market. Please don't run after those market materials because it will never end. Current affairs newspaper simkha, it's non-negotiable, it's sine qua non. Newspaper simkha mga stage khatya de chok hilowa prelims mains interview abeta na newspaper hon tan pi inchen kibang newspaper sim habit nei tai nga twa kaching khit nung twa ka kipat nung twale sim lai ka hi news sim lo ina ka om the non ke news sim gi ge kha mundanga na mo thelo chimai ni mundanga source danga kinei thelo general knowledge, broad mindset, multidimensional aspect on things, no any issue that comes up in India or other parts of the world. It gives very, very broad multidimensional view of everything that is relevant in our world today that you won't get from compilations or other current affairs materials. Newspaper regular takasim gi apil na pen kha munda nga ki mo lo book de ale ki mo chat lo win chen wai kha prelims to le lo mains to interview wala po mo pet ma hiya lifelong habit thon swak de hiya ka newspaper sim kha in a head ke diwa ahente the Hindu sim ma Indian Express sim le ma wai kha na choose khitak le la na choose pen hoi takin sim den la na choose nai lo khak zen ale just they have different styles of writing, so take one Hindu, one Indian Express, read it, and whichever one that you are more comfortable, that you understand better, you pick that one and stick with it. Example like direct takan pailo lele indirect be kan panpite te hi chi kha kon that sakut na example kon include 2023 mains in do you think marriage as a sacrament is losing its value in India chi kha question on taya he direct ka ebook sim khakti akha ki mohet lo engine but some months back the Hindu article khato mentioned increasing divorce rate in India and the reasons or the possible causes dan the article khato nom khain ma divorce rate cha sangta hey cha tulai Indian society hey om ta this may be the reasons dan the article khat kasim kha I could recall that article, and based on that article I was able to answer this question. So bookish knowledge is a tale of no mention beyond the book ngai to ngai thelo nom demo UPSC main sitale interview itade white akha newspaper you won't get this knowledge and this comprehensive analytical comprehensive analysis on any issue, whether it be social, economic, political. It comes only from reading newspaper regularly. So, here example, and another example is that Okay, exam tuma 2023 ma aha. Child cuddling is replaced by mobile phones. Chitan de khallen pa yin while direct book dia ki mulo mo hilele. Some article I have read somewhere. I don't remember when exactly I read the article, but I've read an article in the newspaper somewhere about how phones have been replacing, parenthood. So from that, I was able to answer the question. So please don't compromise on reading newspaper. Newspaper raka note bolo ka, it's optional. Kemcho note ka bola ke ka ka school life, college life ho apan note bolgi ke ka hisa ke na habituated to note making. So I make notes from newspaper and he ka revise na din le in on notes take zanga lele he ka compulsory hai ki ya newspaper notes bolo wale chingthek tho mention. It's again this shows how this journey is unique for everybody. If you are leaning more towards making notes, very good, make your own notes and use it for revision. But if you are not the note making kind, like if you don't want to make notes from newspapers every day, compilation no. Coaching center, reputed coaching center, tena notes compilation, current affairs compilation. He's in white take to na supplement ya as actual news and we can't retain anything without the revision. So revision is very necessary. So if you don't make your own notes, please study. Please get some compilation. It will be available for free in the internet. Some coaching institutes website. Can hello ka hisa kina ka recommend di ka ki apan omchet ki ai lele ka lomte ka na consulta ka batchmate te dongenga current affairs note bolo te adina compilation on success of ka chilekha vision IAS compilation hoy ahi can le jang ka hi chia vision IAS compilation hello forum IAS chidan dama reputed coaching center te compilation le hoy ahi chi ka kalom ka batchmate te apan recommendation here can share. Plus, don't spend more than 1.5 or 2 hours on newspaper. As I journalize him, the tamloma ma engine. News cho da ka nga gu kong news na baile cho adang te sim na di hun tom lo del di mo. And current affairs is only one aspect of the exam. So many other papers, so many other topics are there. So current affairs da ka hun tam lo na satle adang te static portion te ki compromise diye hi ja kina. Current affairs note bol kom news sim ko ma note bol na hi le cho 2 hours tan poilo hi le note bol lo na hi le cho 1.5 hour tan kong na conclude ngai hi. But this is easier said than done. I understand that reading newspaper is very, very complicated, especially in the beginning. We don't know what to read, what not to read. And it's an art that takes time and practice to master it. So UPSC news back to back as with night mention. You have to know what to not read because the Hindu bang 12 pages, 14 pages for his mo can chang 12 pages hinjan. 12 pages sabula pa na to but anisim lecho ni khata sim zole ha ka sa hinjan you have to know what to read. Advice contact about reading newspaper, about separating what to read and what not to read is that a syllabus na theih ngai mo UPSC bulena convention ka kiya UPSC guide hoy pen the best guide in UPSC is syllabus and previous year question hai tigel kan ka naon guide hoy thei diom lo ya syllabus hoy ta kan na theya previous year question either be it prelims or mains previous year question attend you na analyze then do mai paper tektenga syllabus hoy ta ka thei di previous year question analyze the at the hilekha bangte he zo on ki dong kente lo le he this is likely to be asked in the exam chikha a sense ka ne to dibo olola and one other the first criteria is syllabus and previous year question. The other pointer is whether you can relate it with the static portion or not. For example, secularism. Secularism through article khatan pay mo. Simdimo simlodi chi na theudle. Syllabus no syllabus secularism om here, yes. Previous year question of secularism through kidong here, yes. And the third test is static portion na textbook simte UPSC ya book na simte to ki relate hai. Yes. So read that article. No. So these are some tips that I can give on newspaper. For current affairs, one national newspaper plus if you don't make notes, compilations of news of a good reputed institution. Or newspaper own notes na make one, you can supplement it with one monthly magazine just to be safe. Kenka newspaper kasima notes, I made my own notes from the newspaper and I read Pratiyogita Darpan magazine. So these are enough. Newspaper and one compilation. Hiai kana panga material del ngai lo hiai teng hoi taka simin hoi takin revise legend. You are done with current affairs. Issue dot nale tam ka mo sekpen ha CSAT hiya. CSAT ka paper 2 hitchen. It's a qualifying paper in prelims. Yai ka balance strikes ya masyam ngai CSAT ha. We need to strike a balance between doing and overdoing. No, please don't neglect it. It will be your doom. It will be to your own doom. CSAT can neglect lodi as yak a question le haksa thowinche haksa de no over the past years. Plus, there are some people who cleared GS1 paper 1 in prelims, but they don't make it because they failed to clear CSAT. But you can't overdo it. Why? Because it's a qualifying paper. Full mark cut off it doesn't affect the whether you clear full mark qualifying marks so there's fine balance that you need to strike in CSAT. Don't underestimate it, but don't give too much and don't overdo it also. After CSAT ngan he bang hile GSE preparation ka suffer din no. So here you have to maximize your own strength and work on your weaknesses. I can explain there. Humanities student nahi you are expected to be good in the comprehension part of CSAT passages, no? Or if you are science background, you are expected to be good in the calculations, the reasoning and all. So, either you are good in English or maths calculation. So, English passage comprehension te siamzo nahi lemo. White te nasyam na pena kha maximize the score in comprehension. And try to pluck the lower hanging fruit in mathematics calculation. What I mean is, humanities student then I'm weak in calculation mathematics and how to prepare for CSAT basic like biggest question engine. Humanities nahi lekha passages comprehension part ka siam din nahi mo. Like comprehension part dekha takina practice in takina solve masain la kin the pen na solve in la hucha hun lai pe na mo na hun nei comprehension te na solve zo changa na hun nei lai tengina calculation they are easy to solve mo then you will be safe. And if you are of science and engineering background, you'll be better in calculations. So do the calculation part, maximize your score in calculation part and solve the easier passages. So this is my strategy. I am stronger in passages. Kika comprehension passage tiaka comfortable zo kahiya exam changina passages comprehension te kin the top ina kin na ka solve zela by changina hun bang tan ya pom lai tiaka calculation te ka solve zel then I clear it. So this should be your strategy. And CSAT paper akha tilkhat na tilkhat trick chidila hello do common sense na ni tilkhat chumo. CSAT akha 80 questions hinjin. There are 80 questions in CSAT. Out of 80, at least 25 will be very, very, very difficult. 80 lagakha 20. UPSC has this I in my own experience, I feel that UPSC in question haksa mo. Mga just to throw off people ni sub nervous na dia lo le. Mga calm, cool-headed lo te, mga confused sak na dia. Question haksa tumongmongwan ko izil dan baka ken ka na analyze ya adit kelela tuamtuam mo. Le it's my view that UPSC aka either mains or prelims mo ani question bangza hiam haksa hon pediu why mu chang inerva sa ibwaya mga confidence tenga be gaile chu I theite easy zo deute in a simkhak tele ki sol thing lo mo. That is their intention because they want the best of the best. So mentally left strong iPad mind. So in CSAT and also in GS, they will include some questions. Maybe in CSAT, it might be around 20 questions. I don't know. Approximate agon gini hiya. Question bang hiam kahak sadi. To throw off people, to make them nervous. Because you don't need 20 questions. These difficult questions you don't need to solve. You won't even have time to solve, and even if you can solve. So aveka 80 questions, he said 80 so aveka, it's almost impossible. Waisaka, kahaksa me confused na din yuma on koiteo mo hilole to maintain the difficulty level of the exam koiteo ha nakisupay sa cloud engine. Go for the other questions, the other doable questions. So question na eta haksapin amasa first page ano ma he haksat milwa cha the boy ngala na confidence tenga be ngale chu na theitele dong haksa sa din hinga waisa kina. So don't fall because of this 20-25 questions that are very, very difficult. Approach the doable questions. One of the advice that I would like to give, and practice mahmah in every stage of the exam, whether prelims, mains, or even interview. So previous year questions, take a practice, then take pass. I think the pattern changed from 2013. So 13 apan latest done. A previous year question na solve, and in la solve in la hile banga a question dot teo mo bang banga what kind of questions do they ask, how to approach, what difficulty level are they asking chiteka previous year question analyze na pan na theih bana mock tests are very, very important. Hiai can like a hidan ka hiai tenga hiya. And one book I would recommend, hiai book ka kalaya hilele ka Hasotna ki ka Hasotna penchu previous year question ka practice dena. And I saw some mocks. And so these are the tips that I have for CSAT. If you're not good in mathematics, you'll be comfortable in English. If you're not good in English, I have faith that you'll be comfortable in calculation. So maximize your strength, whichever area you are strong in, get maximum marks from that. And in the other section, plug the low-hanging fruits and solve the doable questions in the other section. Some insights on prelims. Most aspirants study the same book. India, there are millions and millions of youths preparing for UPSC. To adana theih lo kwa UPSC ki prepare te source ki bang vaccine engine no UPSC ki prepare te like for example Lakshmikant polity, everybody reads Lakshmikant, everybody reads Spectrum. So what sets apart those who are selected and those who are not is revision and practice. The book se muki bang vak de i-book si mo kibang pet mo aspirant ten hilele hoy taka practice, hoy taka previous year question analyze, hoy taka revision repeatedly hite to hite ka aching to chinglo kala kihenang mo. And because millions of people study the same books, question hiai ti apan on paile, hiai ti apan question on paile, that kele your chances of selection will go down. And if some questions come outside these sources, 99% of aspirants won't know the answer. No. So here it's very, very crucial because everybody reads, studies the same. Hiai sunga omte hoi takana theih di hiai ya pan hon pai nge le na miss out lo somte te di ma you should know these sources. You should know like the back of your hand, back to back. Tilkat kahon genu ta ka ki prepare lai na ka uwin ka book mo like example Lakshmikant bangle Lakshmikant ladi engine aud naman mon hon hong di aud na page aud naman mon hong di engine aud to don dong engine ucha kha banga. You should read it to that level where you know every part of the book, so that if anything happens from if anything comes, any question comes from these sources, you won't miss it. Here polaman pailechu at hello tamzo di engine, so it will equalize again. Keep resources limited. Don't chase after every new material that comes up. Here advice po mo pen te lakakat here. Book som nale ya khat vejat nasim sanga book khat som ve nasim khapatom so DEHI. Because the syllabus is so vast, retention is very difficult. Subject you have to study polity, geography, history, economy, environment. The subject simdi tam lwa, book simdi tam lwa ha. Na revise repeated revision na kele nasim sa tele mang hilzel di, like for example history sim history beta mo history khat be sim zo da chile polity sim don chile polity sim zo akha history ana sim sa teng mang hil ta chidan kele hu chitho kai because banga isim sa te ke mang hil zel mo mi hi na photographic memory khong ki zel lawa hi chang mo. So how to retain material, how to retain what we read is to keep revising. There's no other option, just keep revising. So resources limited di like polity akha Lakshmikant nasim le Lakshmikant sim dano tampi like polity book, excuse me, polity book li nga khong nasim sang ina Lakshmikant tampi ve sim le chen phadwang zo di engine. Don't like book thak khong no mo hey popular pet mai hey pet chan mga ngai sakwat ngai lo mo. Don't chase after new materials, new books that come in the market. Stick to your resources, keep your resources limited hai ka apoy mo dan again saying okay ya keep limited books like book collect dia ki prepare nahi kiya exam clear da ki prepare nahi ya indim mai lo le bang dim je ne na UPSC books nahi le chin le na revise then ki le phatong lo mo. Instead just one book each for prelims GS, one book for polity, one for modern India white khatam be very similar chin. To give an example, Lakshmikant polity kha ka ki prepare apan ka clear tana. If I'm not mistaken, som thumbe wal simda ki ginta gahi kapukle so you should revise it to that level, then only you will be able to retain the information. And don't follow trends and speculations. UPSC is known for its unpredictability. So, for example, nidanga kha bangkumyam laya kha ancient and medieval India question paingi lo we chu khatle paingi lo hun le o ma khan cha khat khong ni khong pai ta tau second gen pa khamina na neglect ko mong chile suddenly the unpredictability comes into play, and ancient and medieval India question tampi ho namzot mo ta khata or modern India kha tampi pi bisect somle gu chi khong somle gu khong bisect le thakata kha li nga cho pai chidana om second gen. So trends study like previous year Hiai ha pai geography tampi pai tu kum geography ha semdi adangte ha sem ke le palo chitika. You will be making a grave mistake if you do that. Don't ignore any subject at the price. Don't focus on some subjects at the price of other subjects. Ignore tuam. Tuam sim lo pick. Ignore tuam. Whatever is in the syllabus, prepare. bang kuma bang subject ilo le bang portion on paizotia chikithelo waisaka. So sometimes current affairs bang example current affairs na ha focus luata tu kum ilo le ning kuma current affairs question tampi pai chi na static portion neglect
static portion hi koma current affairs
eh hey. Current affairs question tampi pai chi na static portion neglect mokle. Next year current affairs tom chikon pai khale ki boys di mo chidana don't give too much weightage on don't give too much weightage on some portions, neglecting other portions. So, then prelims to mains na separate ke dabulina mo prepare together prelims and mains. And 3 months before prelims, you can start prelim specific preparation. Revision is the key. Revision and practice. Practice it includes both previous year question and mock test or test series. So everybody studies the same sources. What differentiates successful and non-successful ones are revision and practice. So exam date here, sleep well, eat and drink properly, be calm, cool-headed in the exam hall, be careful in marking the answers. Kon can kafar sete makha. Answer to dik mo answer kamu adik ten to tiki ngai lele OMR sheet adik lo ma kha chipong ka kha awai sa ka kon include here and stay away from discussions during break. Tuna mains kon rush pay media. Mains is the real test in UPSC. Mains ka test it tests your knowledge, it tests your ability, your perseverance, your endurance, your writing skills, and it tests your physical and mental strength. So mains is the real deal in UPSC. And once again, I can remind every journey is unique. GS paper atam P score jaka chingle GS average mu hilele optional asang mark tama mu jaka chingle essay to ethics atam P mu jaka chingom chidana know your strengths na strengths akha na maximize na UPSC amo ni na subject hi tu ka was apeka siam chi kha samai the omcho hilele khatlama siam khatlama chaw de chi kha. It's human nature. Mo hilale na siam na tiakhat extract maximum results from your strengths. Prelims to mains ki kalpen ka it's very crucial. Hiai prelims to mains ki kala pangdan kha like na ka pangdi it's the 11th na ka pangdi hai ki kala mo like for example ke khas zan sod laisim jingkal thawak te ke hiya dakhat lekim jitan hong sim zeling jingkal chang khathong hak sek inga hilele mains ma mo prelims to mains ki kala chu jingkal le thobai just sim top mai ke hi UPSC Denali Convention ta syllabus and previous year questions. They are like node and stars for guidance. Syllabus hoitakana eta previous year question analyze it. You will know an idea. You will get to know the pattern of examination, the pattern of the questions, how to answer chitika. Syllabus to previous year question up and guama. Syllabus to previous year question in hon guide theih na. One guide I think this should be your best guide and very important. Every serious aspirant should be able to write an answer on every word mentioned in the main syllabus. Main syllabus ka hampatwai mama nakhat ka exam to unpredictable hampatwai nakha main syllabus detail taka ki engine. Just print out the main syllabus and have a copy of the printout syllabus like phone ale theih print out se kha ka de se ajak to poi mo lo ajak kin mo I document le apoi mo takte physical akin nei even mo mai dan ka poi mo lo talent print out ti mo physical copy and the hoitaka. So every word mentioned in the main syllabus detailed and but every word note body and your preparation should be such that you can write a 10 or 15 marks answer on every word mentioned in the syllabus. Like that like you don't have to like that is the litmus test to know whether your preparation is going well or not. This should be your test. Every word mentioned in the main syllabus, answer na dong theih mo. And don't give thoughts to speculations. Kumta nga ka rumor ang mo main sa ka. Like may so lelo prelims later like optional paper subaidik tao hi lo le. Answer ka artificial intelligence in check hi jidan na rumors kong tam matang chan gossip rumors nonsense kong tam matang din chen. You should not ngai sak lo. Demo he te kong ngai saka like optional ki abolish dia hi jiging tayin la simke la on ki abolish ke le bang chu clear demo. So don't give thoughts to speculations. And hey, optional paper ka hon dong ka na kachet KY if I remember correctly. Hilele apoy mo sa kina kon include the optional paper. Choice of optional. The background subject for college and the Nisim mo. The background subject ka lunglu thwai na sa ba na college kailaya hota decently na study thole mga adang nga ito at ngay lo na the background subject maalala na it saves lots of time and energy and effort. So if you're interested in your background subject and you have decent knowledge, decent grasp over the subject, then don't think too much, just take this subject. And hilale for example, the background subject pen optional list hello ya mahilo le na subject pen ka lunglut no lo ma or adang hi utlo ta mo hai lo len na college ka la an na sim hoi ma lo thei to an lo bang nei khang zen zen ale subject kha na choose ngai din chin Amazira. It depends kasa agilele. I can give you some 2-3 tips on how to choose the optional paper. First, consider 2 things: your interest in the subject and previous year marks. Right? The lunglut kele to parte na lag zaka na lag de chui ton lo hilele na lunglut tak taka banga record le hoi tho hile. Why penalty? So interest matters because other papers are generalist level. Deep on do paper GS te form. But optional paper is deep, in depth. They will ask in depth questions. So if you are not interested, studying will become very, very difficult. And it's like your life partner. It's like your partner for the preparation journey. It will be with you the entire journey. You will have to keep repeating the same thing over and over again until you clear. So you have to like that subject. So interest and liking is very important. Nalunglu na nila bana record of the people who cleared like Hiai optional la magbang sa mutang piwa chi kong lecho and the end ho them. But the main is interest. So my advice will be subject tuamtuam kisim heaven. My best, we read history, we read polity, we read geography. So take 2 or 3 subjects that you like the most. Subject ni letum nangai to adamo na brainstorm da 2 or 3 subjects that you like most. You select them and you see 2 things. See the syllabus of that optional and see the previous year question. Then you will get an idea. Oh, this one is doable. I can do this one. So nalunglut subject de up syllabus to previous year paper in la. Hay pen lunglut huai lo le pen not mail. Hay pen kastik zodi till the end of preparation chana hile. Just make the decision and go with the decision, live with the decision and work on it. Optional ka keng lo de because it's an in-depth paper. So if you change your optional, it will waste lots of energy and efforts. So just choose it and be done with that decision and start working on preparation. And priority areas in mains, essay, ethics, and optional are priority areas. Bangjaga Hiai kon gena chile, prelims lake clear, bana main sa dia hoi taka, serious taka, kisakkhawl ki prepared dekha. GS1, GS2, GS3 ka in knowledge level uke bang symptom. So people who clear prelims and who are preparing very, very seriously for mains, we have broadly same level of knowledge in GS1, 2, 3. And GS1, 2, 3 marks very wide difference in marks ka hakaksa mo ahi thelo long lam chi lo le haksa engine. It's difficult to score two wide ranging different marks in GS 1 to 3. So essay ethics to optional akha na score na maximize theih na engine mains byak chang akha hai ten thum kha focus de, but I don't mean that, please don't think that I'm telling you to neglect GS 1 to 3. GS 1 to 3 to nasim ngei na nasim damo practice this simles in the notes le bol di hilele. What my point is, essay ethics to optional kha very like high marks above average pe na score theih na the chance engine was a hai ten thum kha priority behind la. Optional bang chu optional kha abang khat pe nahi ya marks range mark at a white na pen engine more difference a clear te to clear lo te lo le mark ki shat na pen kha optional engine. So try to maximize your score in mains in these three papers. Hai kha mains are their note board na the dance like the year. UPSC main danale kun ginta UPSC main syllabus nalakhetya. That will be your best friend in your preparation. Word for word I can mention it. Why word they nalatya, just note down that word and make 2-page notes on that word. These are the standard format. Heka abang khazira ne just the topic zira. Like for example, I've taken poverty. This is how your note should go. Like you can add more, but this is the basic standard format. Meaning, what is poverty? Poverty bangan na define thing. What is poverty? If question comes on poverty, you should know what like the meaning, how to define that poverty. And quote some quote to beautify the answer. No, poverty is the worst form of violence by Mahatma Gandhi. And some data is very, very important. It strengthens your answer and it shows that you know about that thing, you know what you're talking about. So data shows that you know what you're talking about. So always, like whenever possible, most of the time, always include data in your notes and in your answers also. Like if the topic is poverty, you should include World Bank definition of poverty, how much percentage of people in India and the world live in poverty, the latest figure. Hey, keep updating, okay, according to the recent happenings. Like it used to be 16%, now it's somewhere 5%. So keep updates engine more ranking India's what is India's rank in poverty indexes. Which rank is India? Hey, like the engine. So keep updating according to the changing times. And causes and effects. What are the causes of poverty? What are its effects? Hey, a body ka main body engine. Whenever you write main bodies, whether it's for making notes or whether it's in your answer, it should always be multidimensional. Excuse me. Your note should always cover historical, political, geographical, economical, cultural, demographic. You should like be very broad based and multidimensional in your approach. Like don't focus only on one aspect. You should include every possible aspects because that's what is required of you as an officer, to be broad-minded and very multidimensional. So causes and effects, historical, political, geographical, etc. And geographical areas like which parts of the world and which parts of India have more poor people. And schemes and policies are very important for everything, like almost everything. The government of India has some scheme or some policies on how to deal with that. For poverty, we have Narega, we have Narega, we have National Urban Livelihood Mission, Rural Livelihood Mission, pension, etc., etc. So you have to know whatever topic, whatever problem, whatever cause, you should know what government is doing for that. Schemes, like 4 or 5 schemes should be at the tip of your fingers. You should know schemes for every topic and every issue. Policies and schemes to tackle poverty and challenges. What are the obstacles we are facing in our fight against poverty, and any recent news, if maybe the poverty line has been changed or maybe the percentage of poor people have decreased or increased to the news, any recent news happening in poverty, and suggestions and way forward. I think it's like basic standard. Keep updating like sticky notes, space nolo, the note a space nolo. You can use sticky notes and just space and write the recent news or some changes, big changes happening in that topic. That's enough. And suggestions and way forward. You should adjust according to the topic. For example, advantages and disadvantages theih mo. The poverty advantage low the relevant low engine. So according to the topic, adjust the notes, keep updating the notes based on new information that you get, based on new news, and keep revising. Book list that you can share there means one thing is time limited lo engine answer writing practice le ngai reading le ngai the tamlo mama engine a book va ki pen na cha long paragraph te va ki sim man non te lo here was a note making poem pet engine make crisp short and like to the point notes in bullet points and keep revising white lo ngal ki revise man non lo engine was a ka note making poem lo te hi. And answer writing practice means ada poemo pen asim sang ale poemo zo like equal hilok top lele poemo zo din kaging ta as actual means is a game of writing skills. The real challenge will be to finish on time with legible handwriting. Mains is a game of writing skills. It doesn't matter how vast your knowledge is, how deep your knowledge is. If you can't write it down on the day of the exam, the examiner won't know that you have so much knowledge. He knows only what you are writing on that answer paper. So it's a game of writing skills. Na idea mo, na knowledge ka very limited time very limited time na convey man di that's the real challenge in mains. 250 marks here GS, like every paper is 250 marks, 3 hours, and 10 marks to 15 marks. 10 marks a question soman pai engine, 15 marks a less soman pai. So we have 180 minutes. If we break it down, it comes to this. 10 marks ka 7 minutes as ngai, 15 marks ka 11 minutes as ngai. Just wrap up the answer in 7 minutes if it's 10 marks, or wrap up the answer in 11 minutes if it's 15 marks. Your target should be to complete the question, to complete the paper. Analyzing and practicing previous year question. Then in kina most important apoy mo logic in going repeat no dia previous year question te and legend bang question kidonga what do they expect out of you. You will understand that when you see the previous year question and practice the previous year question. And this series join couple mo kasakna self evaluation ka hit lo na, like you can't criticize your own work. Nang ka hoy na hit to galdinay mo answer why ka nang mama ina why na criticize or na check dikha, like it's not ideal. So if you have somebody, maybe some mga civil servant na tanaom hiya ilo na ki-close bi kong hilala ama check sa theih lo attention leleng. If there's nobody to check your answer for you, I suggest you join a test series. You can do it online, it's no issue with today's facilities, online facilities and all. It's not necessary to go somewhere and join the classes or sit the test in physical mode anymore. You can do everything online. The series aka mains essay GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4 adina insights IAS online test series ka like they will give the question and ka answer galdin picture la di engine upload di mo ma email athon di ma ka check do engine marks and pe do engine, they will give feedback. Like it's good because the demand what UPSC demands, what kind of answers you have to write and how to structure your thought process. There's too limited time. How do you even think, and how do you put that in paper? Like practice na engine mo, like so you join test series. If you are a beginner, like if it's your first mains, or even if you have given before, you can still join. But especially if it's your first time, please join. And if you are in Delhi or something, you can go offline. But online, offline doesn't matter. It's the same only. Just be true to yourself. Like when you test nahi Ngana and koma hi chikong nahi kaya, or don't lie to yourself, be honest to yourself. Just keep evaluating your mistakes and learn from your mistakes. Practice agar recommendation nahi at least 2 essays, one full-length paper of ethics, one full-length optional paper, 1 and 2 every week. As after then I can get mabanga ethics essay to optional class score maximize theih na engine. Heka prelims o chang hi o kachina. Prelims domains ki kala kha ethics to optional to essay kal tingin na khadebek na gelda. GS 1 to 3 can be done in like 2 kal GS 1 or a next week a later week pen alternate weeks I check or you can write 2-3 answers in one day or 3-4 answers in one day adjustments thinking bolte engine lele essay ethics to optional ka every week and the time between prelims and mains is crucial. It will make or break your result. Standard format of mains answer. It's not a one-shot formula, but it's the standard format for most questions. Introduction, 1 or 2 lines. Meaning mo. 1 or 2 lines of instruction. Mga recent happenings, some data or some quote or some meaning. You can write don't write long introductions. It's not required at all. 1 or 2 lines are more than enough. And the body, leave space and start the body. The body depends entirely on the question, because a question in on totanzira a body in a structure engine. If they are asking me advantages and disadvantages on dot differentiate a table la differentiate legend or causes and effect on dot. If they ask you to critically analyze something, the body depends entirely on the question. Don't beat around the bush. Don't write what is not asked. For example, advantages, disadvantages on donglopiwa. If they ask for cause and effect get lower. And it's not what they want also. Or if they're asking you to differentiate, don't write advantages, disadvantages. If they're asking you to critically analyze something, don't write differentiate. No, don't write like something which is entirely unrelated. Just hit to the point. Just hit it to the point. Don't beat around the bush. Hit the point. The main point will be in the question. Just hit that question. Hit that point and write in be multidimensional in your answer. Whatever answer you give, unless they specifically ask like specifically economic reasons choon dong bang hile mo. Well, economic reasons and the focus the economic reasons atam theih bang na pyak mo reason hilele economic chauge non chilawa economic kya galodi. Or if they specifically ask what cultural causes or cultural aspects, then write cultural. But unless they specifically ask one aspect, please don't focus on one aspect alone. Just be as multidimensional as possible. Give your answer in these very wide-ranging aspects. Answer point-wise and underline important wise. Very, very important for clarity and check to check nopsakma mahi. Point-wise the bana na point keyword, most important word, 1 or 2 words. It can be 3 words also. Just underline that. Point check to in check no pasak lekha mark na mo tam na dikhas. It's likely that you'll get higher marks. So answer point wise, underline the important wise. And handwriting to because due to the paucity of time, it's very difficult to write very good handwriting. So just as long as it's readable, illegible, as long as it's decent, it's okay. And maps and diagrams a question to kitwale mo maps diagrams a question to kitwale include the like for example they ask if ports ka jamo me pa mark kanwa mech. So if the question is about ports, for example, just draw a rough map and mark the ports there. A question to kitwaklo PPA map diagram kung include high detail, but if it's suited to the question, then please include, you'll get more marks. And in the conclusion, you wrap up the entire answer in 2 or 3 lines. But one thing is, even if they ask you to critically analyze, or even if they ask you the challenges, the issues of something, please always give positive conclusion. You have to be optimistic. Okay, in conclusion, saulou just give 2, 3, like wrap up the answer. It's like you introduction, and in the introduction and the body you wrap a gift, and the conclusion is the bow in the gift. No? So just wrap up the entire question in a bow, neat little bow, and present that answer. Mains it's very, very challenging physically and emotionally. It's very, very exhausting mentally, physically, emotionally. So you have to be very, very strong here in mains. You write continuously for days and days. So you have to be very strong here. I've read this quote somewhere, and before I wrote mains, I didn't understand it that much. But when I wrote mains, I understand. Write with your hand, and when your hand can't go on, write with your heart and soul. Na khut kham la ma icha move theih no lo ze na ki kong ko gai kong anom di mo na khut answer na ha la cheka le physically ya na fail dek changa na lung tang to na khaton halung tang to na lung sim khat na get di mo. Just keep writing and complete the paper. Sample answer format, I have taken here example 2023 bakon la. Why did human development fail to keep pace with economic development in India? This is 2023 mains paper. They're asking about human development and economic development. Bangzaka economic development hilale human development ka Hiai saulou mo. Human development in ka economic development saulou mo. Why is that? They're asking. So this is how you should answer. Despite being the 4th largest economy in the world with $3.9 trillion economy, India ranks 130th in Human Development Index. This is a very strong introduction because it shows that you have knowledge, you have data backing your answer, and you have facts. So this is strong intro. The examiner, if you write this as an intro, the examiner will think that, okay, this person knows what he's writing about. So data is very important to strengthen your answer and your point of view. So it's our introduction. See, only in 1 line, we have included 1, 2, 3 datas and facts. So this is strong. And heka introduction zo himay very short and crisp, but very strong introduction. Punch, just hitting the point. Then the body will go like this. They're asking the reason. They're not asking cause, effect, analyze, whatnot. So your first focus should be the why, the reasons. So you should give the reasons in the body, give social, economic, demographic, political, historical, cultural, geographical, give and every, as broad as you can, give the reasons. Then you conclude something like this. Despite mounting challenges, India has made significant progress in addressing these concerns through the so-and-so schemes. This and that improvements have been seen in recent years. With will and determination, even better results can be achieved in future. See, they're asking about something which India is lagging behind in. We are lagging behind in Human Development Index. And you are telling all the reasons here. But when you conclude, the conclusion ka positive, forward thinking, and as an officer, the mindset of an officer. As officers, we are the ones who will be dealing with all these challenges, all these issues. So you can't focus only on negative things. Yes, you should know challenges, you should know difficulties, and you should know the issues we are facing, but you should have positive mindset because you will be the one dealing with those challenges. books, Hiai books dekha. I told you before, although some additional books are there for mains, um, apart from the prelims book, they're relevant like how mains are dale, ethics are dekha arihant. GS 1, 2, 3 also I read arihant. But as I told you before, since the books are very lengthy and there's so limited time and we have to spend so much time on writing practice, we don't have time to keep going to these books anymore. So your own notes will play a very huge role because they are very easy to revise, short crisps and to the point and updated notes. This will be the key the key resources for your mains. And you can kasima mga noam kasagwat ka kon include him mahiya nasim ke walele no too. And my optional was commerce and accountancy. And since every optional is different, Tuna can no commerce optional lo tia de on share moklang relevant lo de na. If anybody has commerce and accountancy optional, you can contact me. I will share my book list and strategies, but I will leave it aside for now because it's different for every subject. So newspaper, apoy mo dan kaon gekhin mo, like in the mains paper, I came across a question and I could relate it with some article that I read 1 year ago, 6 months ago, 2 years ago. Simka article mo, why tuwa na simka, why fatwa, like to kitchen na, kaya pananswer ka. It will help you directly and indirectly. So please don't neglect newspaper. We'll come to interview now. Interview ka na mizya mo, na personality, civil service adi na nasuited ya, jites na hinjin. Interview I can prepare mo because it's very confusing. There's no syllabus in interview, so we don't know what to read, what not to read, what to do. It's like it can be very confusing, and I understand. But basically, the personality on test mo. And what you can do is you can revise your optional and background subject. Same thing happened with me. They asked me lots and lots of questions about commerce, finance, accounting, e-commerce, and everything. And I spoke to some of my friends also. They got questions about their background subject, like for example, engineer engineering to pendong or optional leon dong theih, background subject leon dong theih. So brush up on your knowledge. The background subject simkhanol, for example, physics background here. To optional la geography hiyam lada ibang nahi khazan dali physics a basic debate kuwa simnon in lamo. Then be in touch with your optional and background subject and keep in touch with current affairs, news siamsinte ni lodi. Just keep reading newspaper and know yourself inside out. Main clear changa the F2 kichi form and fill up sa punchin. It has everything, socio-economic, so many data. It has any kifil engine. No, kuya class 10 tan kuya nakosa college kuya kay or rural area mo, urban area mo, lole hobbies, service preferences, everything is filled in dev 2. Interview I pa changa ka dev 2 I form I fill up deka. Interview board 10 amawai cha enunjin pa na tuamtuam dong hiya. So every topic, every word mentioned in the dev 2, you should be very clear. Just make probable questions from your dev and just keep practicing. Be honest, pleasant, calm, confident, polite, optimistic. And at last, if you have honesty and a sense of service in your heart, you'll do fine. Just keep smiling, be pleasant, be professional, be confident. Eka mga prepare tungtawn relevant lo bang na just work on your personality, develop good hobbies, productive hobbies. Okay, then this will come later on. You can prepare for this later. Hey quote khadle kha kasim laya le on motivate gi ke khat kawan share uta ka PPT be dek to kitonina. Men and women who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long, who toil while others sleep, who dare while others flee. They build a nation's pillars deep and lift it to the sky. Numailin kasal hila mo, truth and honor diktat na to honor kay pawag ka leksiyam chat kaya mga tuwak hat mo kip takading nga tuwak hat mana mi imut ka mi toldam ka mi nopsak kala ama na sem nget mo mi ngamlop te ngam mo who dare to do what others run away from white tin mo so tuwak hat dozo tuwak hat le dozo taka mi nopsak mi toldam kala na sem ngeta mi ngam lo te ngama mi tai mang na a ding ngam ten kha nam le gama dia akhwam kip taka puta van tung sang tan dom to hi chi khai ya this is like a quote that I really love and it motivated me a lot during my preparation also. I hope it can motivate you to some extent as well and apply it also in your real life. And last but not the least, nang nahi kele kwa hi tuan dia, tuan nahi kele bang chikcha nahi tuan dia mo. So all the best everyone. Thank you so much. Ka ka PPT ka hai tingin ka PPT ka hai tingin ko so oh bakit?
Wala. Nagi pawai pen ma bun tomchik sungina hutanun zahtak cover Thailand guidance si online tampi ni omzen hinapi bangtana ilam context sadia relevant chi theih pi khathaya ikipat nale background kenai pizo nutunun hungin tehi man phadyak in ka he tuna Q&A session ilot ngal ding mo Q&A session hi effective taka kisat so mahina Harris honglu sa te chi lo bangma tunia lak kisomno lo phathahi ahia no ten ne yom le chat box heutunu email id hong ki ko heading ahia hoya chiklai pewa heutunu theih hi chi kongen masa ahia tunia session dingain na tuamtuam tampi kimwa questions tehi theme wise kon khenua hun safe medingina questions tehi hongki reframe thakahia hoi bana heutunun dena session hon cover khit sa te ai theitana to hongki leave out so ma he first theme in a lut ngal dia the ideal time to begin preparing for UPSC civil services exam here. When does one start preparing for exam? Hey, dina dong kidong hindan ni tiya ilipaw na dinga. Second na ilut dinga. What are your opinions on possessing a master's degree? Do you think this is a waste of time for those interested in giving the exam?
First penale comment kon pe utang mo. Class 11 12 online tin ka UPSC lam nap ki prepare do kon advice kiya because it's very mentally exhausting. You have to be mature first, like you need that maturity to begin this very stressful journey. So class 11 and 12 na hiule na subject to Nisim na school subject pero hoy takinon simple tunla. Don't deep dive into UPSC yet and develop hobbies, very healthy hobbies, reading book tuamtuam phong simula, writing, do journaling ahilaw le sports kong badminton football sports kong ale cha hobby tuamtuam develop format na subject yawan simple tunla. I don't recommend for class 11 12 and graduate like dina for class first year second year te kong le mga kiha prepare lot ngai kanas kasanay ki ai le no na ud le chu hi thelo chi chu hi tuan lo mo le why I said this is because na graduation subject pe no ita kanon simule then cha nga optional ala to thegil chinwa optional ana graduate na simsa pen na hile. It will save lots of time, lots of energy, and it will help you lots in the mains and give you more time to focus on the GS papers also. So college ka chizak UPSC ke prepare na lo chizak ka Nisim teo bang makatuam lo hilo. Main sa optional la lak to theih dit zenina hon ha simula siam takin na subject penuan simleo jing. From final year, college final year, upon newspaper hong simpan taon lamo. If you are from non-arts stream, you can start reading 11, 12 NCERTs from final year with newspapers. But the real full-on preparation, graduation, zo chang ki prepare ka. My recommendation is that. Thank you. And master's degree ke liye master's degree nahi kahi ha. Ka graduate zo ina masters hi ko mina UPSC ka ki prepare. It's a bit hectic. Master up and sim my class level hagzel ngai assignment kong exam kong test kong leon bhai kom ko my UPSC ki prepare ngai chidan it hectic pet na gim bhai lo dela yulele banga laisim chi atho na ompol ke amo laisim thon chi omlo inchin masters to UPSC juggle form theih dan nagiging dadle asad na diliom ton lo but masters having a master's degree into service le promotion na bangma aphatwam like bangma I help na ton lo inchin degree ne inakle it's equal so promotion wise service preference wise chikong achu bangma effect omlo chuhi it's personal choice if you want you can do it along with UPSC but if you don't think you can manage both then it's not necessary to hold master's degree.
Okay. Tuna second key my load there on preparations here. The first preparation for starters done here. On P cover him done time management pen and address so daily routine. Time management
Time management daily routine ma'am. Me ging tat bang lo daw ina chame ne can like routine mo like wake up at this time brush teeth study chikha kan nahi het kya what I did was target kanaya mo ni khata atom pe na at least dakal gyat saimsinte de chikha ka target hinchen minimum 8 hours a day I have to study that was my target and timer app khat ka janga ka phone na ka like sim janga on zel ka sim ka rest jang ko nga off zel ma ka ka daily target ka achieve 8 hours ka achieve jang ina I give myself freedom of choice whether to keep studying or to take rest ha ke kha dam the kholo se ke da ni dang ma banga dakal gyat zo chak ka ba pe ma hun dakal gyat ka sim zo chak ka ba pe ma hun deo ma ai lo le chen janga kalung lut lot ma ai lo le kadam the nain azir de chang ina dakar get so chang le kasim to lai thowa but my benchmark was 8 hours after I studied 8 hours I have freedom of choice whether to take rest or whether to go for walk or go to church or do what I want but 8 hours I don't compromise on that unless I'm like dam lo him khong ka ke ngal 8 hours to compromise nge ki just as actual mi hingi hi inchin robot hong ki zen lo inchin mo cha hit bang an strict timeline minute som tan zen a zui zen kha kan ka de le ka de khol ki like for example a khen chang a zin kala mai fuak pe pa chang a tam de sim mo hello le khen chang a summer chang a bang sun cha lum lo zen inchin sun cha sim kha hak sa mo so wayon chang a zin ka to zan chang a so sim zele lo le khen cha zana lung lut lai ni cha so pi sim da ang ni lam tan sim zin ka tho hak le poi toan lo just tailor adjusted according to the needs of the time like ni khatai cha da kal cha hai una hano di hai una simple don de chite chu ka hi ni kia just time mo just give yourself a benchmark that you will complete and mga na lunglo dan zira le adjust hekla de
okay. Tuna siset na choy address
non-veg non-veg teacher best stage will do this trend
arts and culture right like address science and technology to kisai answer writing lang bangsin
science and technology ka le deep taka the expect on the the most important aspect of science and technology part is current developments, more new developments, technology relevant theih hai lo le Nobel Prize on this and science hai lo le India ina spacecraft thak launch ti ma very relevant for today's world in terms of our country or all over the world chi dekha poimo dia kimjin kele science background kane ke ya science de mga katempay luan na lang le ke ya but as future officers as future administrators science and technology i aware ngai mo ba na lunglut le ngai as science and technology in i fateng effect ta engine so you should have decent level of interest and decent level of knowledge in this, but you don't have to be study it very deeply. Just study the recent developments and India's achievements. What is India doing in future, or what is happening in the world? But that is very relevant.
Next, mapping geography mapping na focus de onga exam de kung
Talo map kamo means chang aka time limited lo zazen engine map nala like jo man lo just what you should do is rough takamo hey mo na hey yom chi point hey na din tan na hit hey le poilo hi and answer tengting ala map ngai tuan lo engine then akon ken ma banga a question to le kisud de ngai mo a question na like map lam to kisai mi bang ba ki dong lo map ba include te le ngai tuan lo but if it's relevant to the question and you include maps it will be plus point and it will score a little bit more marks because of the map and a question zero now I pen ka banga bang focus lo at sa zen ngai lo le apoy mo le na hit te tho de
okay. Next theme I reading next theme on mental health, emotional well-being, and staying motivated during preparation siya hiya. Yan kisakkhawl mo Netflix ni may ng journey na experience ko mo. First na, how long was your prep? And number of attempts, if you're okay with sharing this with us, and how do you stay motivated and disciplined in writing it?
Prepare apan final result catching kikaha kumthum bazek kumthum le khathum khong lo tension so I prepared for three and a half years between these two and kani vehi na chingkahiya amasa aina prelims sale ka chingkeya and then again the basic foundation is prelims book list from kontawai mo wai khai cha I at le page khatle dim zolo tom chik ma bang engine le wai ten hoi taka back to back ka theih hoi taka theih na dia haun so pi lu tension ke kalong simhat lo adam no bang no sanga like ke sanga le no siam zo mai the no hun tomla zo mai the like in my case a basic foundation hoi taka strong taka kane na dia ha kum khat lekin kum ni bang lu zo engine abuk yet le tom chik thana engine like it room let na dia so do it engine so it took me like 1.5 to 2 years to build a strong foundation and after that it's more of revision and practice and updating knowledge engine so basically it took me 3.5 years and twice so how do you stay motivated and disciplined? Discipline apoy mo maahiya. UPSC Hasotna a syllabus vast line chin bana huge competition mo aspirants matam bana syllabus vast lo lamaha it's not rocket science it's not something that is beyond comprehension so taka isim nag lagi theih mo banga a material te the challenge is consistency studying day after day week after week month after month year after year it's easier said than done but consistent taka sim ka hak sa pe maya like again to abang kalo ching kita ka gen le bang no man bang le hun lai ta ka kap top hun khong le om se ka sim pe lo cha ka kap hun na hello le tu ni zo ka simple ki lo ma magic kong at menzen na sim kong le tawin chin but mi hi na mo he te kong di mai ya ilale if you want what's at the end of the road, you have to walk the road. There is no other option. Hard work, consistency, hello, kidangamlo. And people often ask me the secret strategy or what tips and all, but honestly, I have no tip, no secret. Only thing is good old hard work and consistency are still relevant even today. Mga Hiai discipline to consistency ka as chinglo te ki separate na hinchin motivation ka nang min hon sol hat zia nanu le na pa na in content is dan de zia ka hilo le mga mi lo ching te khong namu zia khong an ki prepare le the motivation pen ka so dialogue din chin that internal sense of purpose and desire to serve should come from the heart. Nalungsim to nga pa na utak taka cha bigger purpose, higher ideal na daily. Why penin hon sustain mo the internal fire hat chun ne nga him. You have to have the spirit and fire inside you that other outside forces can't burn down, can't kill that fire mo. Which ito kan nasunga ka. May kwang pen ka kwa man asuk min solo ngayon. You have to have that ambition and that determination. Bana ka, what kat ka motivation will make you start and discipline will keep you going, will make you stay. Abula ka motivation anomdi, telele na consistent ka year after year, failure after failure, and continue na dacho discipline on hindi engine and sacrifices mo or sacrifices to ngai lo tel tham till sacrifice lo wat modi omlo inchin no am ta ka modi hile mi tangin modi ahia ahak sajyak sacrifice liya tam jak taka mga mi tangin na zolo ahia hile if you sacrifice, if you have discipline and determination and consistency, it's not impossible. And in this age of distraction, those who focus will win. Distract na tamlota, social media is there. But gen le ngai lo distraction chui the bek sa anjin nahun tamla pen banga wai cho nanga the distraction me. We all have different distractions. Agente social media aboy agente hiai aboy agente huai aboy, it's personal for everyone na distraction pen ka na hun tamla pen na maban na build na di hon prevent pen ka nang adia distraction ni mai engine huai pen na let go ngai ka na sacrifice di mai engine mo. We all have different issues, different things to deal with, so why na goal pen hon prevent to pen ka na sacrifice di mai engine mo nang adia. Then there is a time for everything. Like tuban kumsom cha pang thak le hak salot tadi mo lai sim hunom engine enjoy hunom lai sim hunom nopsak hunom suffer hunom why ka namaban ena nababana na ud na pen na tung na dia obstacle tengteng na sacrifice nga engine burnout chile kwama daka som ni leli license the omlo ai na ken le chen kasim tuan ke ya ka ki rejuvenate ka ki sukhal thak zel na dina music banga la khong ai zel mo in kong khong a walking zel journaling. I like journaling, so journal khong get zel bana bakin kai zel mo Sunday chang khong a bakin pa kai zel thumna ne zel which mga we have hecho a udan zera like sports lungnut bang hile ka khata khat be khong ki distress na di kom ki refresh na di kom sports khong khat be khong ba ki mozal the zel mo burnout wa changa kha because like do some productive things that calms you down and freshens you hecho amazing rai mai ta hitale take breaks like dakalni sima 15 minutes 20 minutes phone call dakal thum sila sima 30 minutes phone call chidang na break khong la zelle burnout prevent khatin chin or you can take one day off after 10 days. So you adjust it according to your requirements. And lo sap na kong tua chang ha aksa pet ma hinale feed ka boy mo pet ma engine kan mi hinglama ka the to swaina he kana ka pang de da no mi lo hi chi di khop tan na ipang le aban ding pa thian no hi sak de hi chi ging ta na to ikal swan diwa ke siam ka sam lo ja ka chingle ka hi twan kia pathiani na ka the na to tam lo chik tom chik te hun bal zo sak ja ka he dan tung kha ke ya pathian min pa tu tom hen la bana thil khat mental health tole kisai mo stress khong tole kisai advice kon pya kut khat auma wai kha please work hard in silence. Thil khat ka notice kha aspirant UPSC aspirant hilam status khunga post dena ilo le mi tengin thei chi kha I feel personally feel it's very stressful as actual failure talk jale ki koi di hiya I fail changa chen ngai to le chen kwaman na fail lam thei lo nang le na in kwan hon de sak tak tak tom chik te cho in theu hon motivate mo ma chile cha tho ki kha nuam zo de we chu I fail meeting in thei bang hi le mo meeting in thei bang le koi pe na tho ki khak sa zo di koi pe na tho ki nok sa ja mo so work hard in silence ja na ching ja ka na min khong on ke thang za khong hi le why that is just let your success make the noise and na ki prepare song na struggle song na work hard like song kha dai takina mo work hard in silence. If you fail in silence, recover in silence, get up in silence, try again in silence. It saves lots of stress also, and it will give you lots of privacy also. And personal struggles to masapena health lam mahidya. Hileleng mga pathianin nampi chang kinei theih lo bang maom kia ijaken abula ka ki prepare tia ka kisak tung lai khong ina kadam theih lo to hak samadhi lo le chingbang hi taling le asep le hak samadhi chi khong kha ke mi hingla ba ka ngai to hi mo le pathianin ai theih lo bang maom lo in chen dam theih lo hello le hat lo kisak kom khong ai cha olo la hon hi theih chen kadam kholo na pen chu pathian zara hi tamo bana inapan ki prepare na ashan changa shortage of resources I lo like prepare hak sathun phong le tam tho inchin but I want to emphasize that this is the beauty of UPSC and this is the beauty of India that it doesn't matter who you are, where you come from, as long as you have determination and will, you can achieve anything. Like a remote corner of the country, apan kipanne lo le village khota tua laising le. If you do what is needed, if you work hard, you will ho jayenge, you will achieve zodi. This is the beauty of UPSC, the beauty of India.
Okay. Actually, next theme I get is a career choice here. What inspired you to join the civil services? Have you always wanted to be an IAS officer? And do you have any advice for young aspirants?
The graduation last year phong apan ka ngai to patahiya ka graduate so serious ta ka kisapan ka hi ka childhood dream anahi khaloma IAS kha advice for young aspirants kha nahin khwa purpose nei takin nahin dia tup kichan nim kichan omlowa ihing changa kha I potential tengle ki ways gaimo because you need goal and you need purpose to anchor you when you get confused and when you get lost. So tup kichan utna kichan aim what takinan hon name hotunla IAS-CSE ngai tuan lo there are lots of other options as well hilele na tupu non the phathimem do why na tuppe no tang tung na din na hon pang chitakin non pang dua pang teng tua clear chinle. Just keep going, and sense of service, whichever like civil service say you know, but whatever career path you choose, please have sense of service in your heart, and that will keep you going when things get tough. And backup plan chu cái ngày tọa đó là khá thùng bê mà thùng bê hội tất cả thiếu đăng ngày tọa là thùng bê hội tất cả bạc phật điện chính thùng bê cái clear cái lệ đăng ngày tọa thì chắc được các ngày tọa xin chưa hi á sẽ chú đăng bằng bằng ngày tọa lo hay chụp cái prepare lấy cái recommend chat cái hay lệ thiếu đăng tôi com prepare để hay học salo hay chẳng nên mà so at least thùng bê live hey if financial background zir le hi tho ka thei siama azak chu hak sa deu te bang kum thum kum li khong unemployed ta om le in sung boy chi khong le om la tel mo if family background and le thu bol tel chi ka thei sam la tela ilala I would recommend please give at least 3 attempts wholeheartedly without other distractions like cha tampi ve khong zo changa adang ngai ta chu it's the safest way. Number 3 pendong di mo?
Hay khó nó don't clip sa pagtan lo.
Loob na di tuamtuam lo ile Hindi is not an obstacle. UPSC mother of exams clear zone hi let you language learn to bang phelo di theih mama nahi don't get discouraged by this.
Okay. Tilek pakya leo tu mo. Tingin na Q&A session is open din nga. Adong te ting ngaling kupatu ngin here. Hay tingin Q&A huni khag din nga bana pain for of thanks gindingin tulela education department na secretary ito pa Siamsin how those yelin gadingin kasama
ama sa penin munsi mo che om ka Siamsin pite chibai kan buk masa tunin ta ka ngana ta kai chial Pi Carolyn Chingthianmawi IAS in a siamsinte on mo na ziakin asiam na athi na te silo yala man patak on za pi ziakin ki pa tho Pawlpi sikletangin kagena heutunu hi mabana sepna vai hin akizat na hiam tia hong nam zang to zel ding de sak thu kha ko hi bana i webinar series te hong lut pi le pan lak pi dia man gi Pu Vumlunmang Vualnam IAS advisory board member leng Ngana banga Hasotna man patakon gen sak jakin ki pa wai sama ma hi heting bana he program lo chingthi na nga pan anala popia ke tu pi te kyang leng ki pa tu kon gen hi entertain program o yam pat pi chat ni ilamena a speaker o Pi Carolyn Chingthianmawi kum paisa lama alo chin nine khang thak te tampi hong su ta tho ma UPSC civil service exam peding kisakkhawl siamsinte to abang lo ching na mo to theding in to pan boron zolen ching etengin kawon konsodi ki pa ke
top na ini maina makat one Hiai dunia angkel thak nidanga amasa especially for those who were not aware of the questions that have to be submitted before the seminar. You can find your way to the chat box, and an email of our speaker would be provided there, and can ask if you have any questions regarding the exam and other related matters. You can always contact her there, and I'm sure if you're nice and respectful, she'll reply to you. Okay. Hey, tingin to the webinar zo hiya. Tu niya even hotel ting tunga kipa tu kongen tak tu nung zak chiang ina hey webinar YouTube hongki koi ha he pa dinga hiya ana phatuam pi thi daging ke kyang banga share shoni na he event hi tunia be mai loa aga lian pi ahong swanga mabana civil servant tampi panpi ngai te panpi tu le dopkang tuak te apoi mo hona domkang thei tu ding mi tampi ahon a se khan ni leng ilamen hi nebe kun om nom le mangpha